Really, he's not a player with the flares and the popping and so forth. He's a more kind of, what you say now, hardcore baller.
The effort on goal! Oh, it's a strike 5 for us!
English, Irvino, the
Irvino
substitute.
English! The left-footed strike by the veteran, and Waterhouse are sinking on in guards here in the Tony Spalding Sports Complex.
Og se på Shelton, han leder gjennom. Han leder på ballen bak for seg. Han setter den i mål. Shelton.
The U.S. giving too many chances around the box here. 41 caps now for the Leeds man. Blasted in, and it's knocked home. 62nd minute goal, and Jamaica taking advantage. 2 off the free kick. And the party just getting started in Kingston.
And now the momentum is gone. The story of the night we'll have of you. Now the long ball of field to Shelton. Oh, that's brilliant! He marks his return to Harbour View and the National Stadium with a fantastic header. Shelton makes his mark. It's 1-1.
shocked the Gordon Penn community in St. Catherine on Sunday when a day which was meant to be spent having fellowship and fun with family turned tragic. 33-year-old Tremaine Stewart was playing football in the community where he grew up when he collapsed. He was taken to the nearby Spanish Town Hospital but was pronounced.
As they go forward, Grandison lofts that one. Not clear properly. Big chance! Tremaine Stewart buries it! A slip up at the back! And Stewart charges home with his fourth this season!
Such was the class of the player. He went to Waterhouse FC and made it his own, scoring goals for fun.
Tremaine Stewart. Oh, goal number 12 for the season for the number 11. Waterhouse 2, Cavalier 0.
I told you beforehand, he was the magic man. Tremaine Stewart, if he has a good game, Waterhouse are likely to win against any team they play in this contest.